So I wanted to make this video to kind of show how to set up a gradebook in my MathFlash Plus. Um, you will first need to create some assignments. So once you have your assignments created, you want to make categories. Let me just show you gradebook first as far as how it's set up. You go click on gradebook and then click on, make sure it's the one with the little dash, the slash going through, and click on change weights. And then if you check your syllabus, homework is 20%. Test is 50%, labs is 10, and the final exam is 20. So the little circle indicates homework. These are quizzes that I have. So I took 2 points away from the homework because they're like a homework, but they're like a quiz just to make sure they're ready for the test. So that became the 20, and then the test is the green. We don't really do study plan, and then the lab, so it's the off category. The triangle means off category, so the labs is 10, and then the exam is 20. And what I did was once for the exam, I made it a test for the green, but I put it as omit, so it's not worth anything. Then I gave it a category of exam down here, which I will go back, which is the 20%, and then I'll go back and actually put in their grades or whatever they scored on the test. So sometimes the students freak out because once they hit submit on that final exam, they realize that the grade is not incorporated into their overall score. And that's because I got to check some things first before I actually put it as my final grade, whether it's the work or make sure the math lab didn't mess their grade up or anything like that. So once I check that, I have to manually import their grades into the offline part of the assignment, which is worth 20%. And here are the three labs. That's 10 points each. I have some bookwork assignments. You can make those either a lab or you can make it as a homework, and you just come over here and just make it, depending on the level of difficulty, you make it 1 point or some of the labs here, and they will tell you the percentage you'll come off of that particular category. Like all the homework assignments are like 0.5%, and this bookwork assignment out here, I have like 0.3%. So those are like offline worksheets and stuff that you might have. You could set your percentage as far as what it actually is by changing here. So, and you make all these assignments by creating an assignment here. So you go to Create Assignment Manager. You want to click on Create Assignment, and then if you want to click on Homework, create a test, create create a test or offline assignment here. Now, if you choose not to do like quizzes like I'm doing, a lot of other instructors, they take the box and make that the final exam. So you will go back to change weight and change this to 50% and then just don't have this box. So that means that once you do this, your quiz is designated to be the final exam. As soon as they finish the quiz, they will get the whatever that score is, they'll get that credit if you chose to put it in this category. The quiz and the test mean the exact same thing as far as the way it's set up. You'll see the little green bar across the top letting you know that it's a quiz or a test that they have to take, and you can set all the settings and timer and passwords, all that stuff for both of these assignments. But like I said, my quizzes are actually little evaluations, and I have a separate exam for category for the final exam. All right, I think that's it. If you have any other questions or concerns, you may contact me. Let me know if I didn't hit everything in this video to help you explain things.